Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another Cooking with Quell. We love seeing the samples you've been cooking up and the new design orders that you've been serving. It just keeps getting better every month. This month, we had some standout tested samples, and we're excited to recognize our winners. First, Sean Moran with Add More Sales. Second is Ken Ohishi with SBD Technical, who actually had tested samples for two different applications. Then we have Mike Countess with CFE Macinus. That didn't sound quite right anyway. Nick Cooper with Cover 2, Rob Curtis with Crewvan, Sam Carr with Arco, and Tyler Guaytons with Macinus. Golly, I keep practicing and just can't seem to say that correctly. Oh well. Congratulations to all of you and great job getting samples tested in the month of April. You'll be receiving your $25 Amazon gift card shortly. Now for the new design orders over $5K this past month. Our winner this month with a new design order with Blue Origin is Dave Fitzgerald. Congrats, Dave! Your $50 Amazon gift card will be to you shortly. If you haven't joined in yet, now's the perfect time. This is all about having fun, sharing ideas, and staying connected across the Quell network. And we're especially excited because we'll be seeing many of you soon at the EDS Leadership Summit 2026. We're really looking forward to connecting in person, catching up, and continuing to build on the momentum we've got going. All right, now for the part we know you've all been waiting for, this month's giveaway. We wanted something that really mixes things up, something powerful, efficient, and honestly, a little bit of a smooth operator. So for April, we're giving away a NutriBullet blender. After putting our winners' names in my chef hat, the lucky winner is Tyler Guaytons. Congrats, Tyler, with I'm scared to try this one again, but here goes nothing. Congrats, Tyler, with McGinnis. There we go. That pronunciation was better. I'll keep practicing. Thanks again for being part of Cooking with Quell. We have some really exciting prizes and challenges coming up in the next month, and we can't wait to dish up success alongside our favorite Quell crew. We'll see most of your smiling faces at EDS. Until then, sell the Quell.